Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money to your Etrade account. Funding your Etrade account is a straightforward process with several convenient options available. Whether you are making your initial deposit or adding more funds, Etrade provides flexible ways to move your money. We will explore the most common methods, including electronic transfers, wire transfers, and depositing checks, to help you choose the best approach for your financial goals. Let's dive into the details of each method. Electronic funds transfers, often called ACH transfers, are a very popular and free way to move money into your Etrade account. You can easily link your external bank account through the Etrade platform. Once initiated, these transfers typically take about 3 to 4 business days for the funds to become fully available for trading and withdrawal. There is an aggregate daily limit of $100,000 for both deposits and withdrawals using this method, with a 4 p.m. Eastern Time cutoff for same-day processing. For those needing to move larger amounts quickly, wire transfers are an excellent option. These are typically processed on the same business day if sent before the 6 p.m. Eastern Time cutoff for incoming funds, though your sending bank may charge a fee. Alternatively, you can deposit checks using the Etrade mobile app or by mail. Mobile check deposits have a generous daily limit of $250,000. While some funds may be available sooner, full availability for checks can take 1 to 5 business days. Beyond electronic transfers, Etrade offers other funding methods. You can transfer an entire brokerage account from another financial institution, which typically takes 10 or more business days. Direct deposit is also available for automatically adding paychecks or other recurring income, usually taking 1 to 2 pay cycles. For existing investments, you can transfer specific stocks. Remember to always double-check all account details and transfer instructions to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.